Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're making Nestle's Toll House cookies, and the constructions are on the back of the package.
Hey, those are for the cookies!
and remember to and before we get started, remember to subscribe. The first step is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Ask a parent for help.
Bake 3, 7, 5. Start.
Now we're going to add 2 1/4 cups of flour into a bowl. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we add brown sugar and sugar.
3/4 cup of each.
Yep. Oh, and wash your hands before you do this. I did. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of extra vanilla and two sticks of butter. Okay, I'll open this. to get some of the sticker butter. Be very careful with that one. You just need a little bit more.
I wouldn't have that much. That'd be a little too much.
And 2 sticks of butter.
Now, they say to soften the butter, so we've had these out for the afternoon. Makes it a little easier to mix.
Okay, if your hand.
Ooh, the house is going to smell like vanilla, bud.
Yay! Yeah! My hands are gonna get all slippery.
That's alright, we can wash them, right?
It's getting everywhere. Vanilla. Yay.
This is what it's all about, buddy.
I know.
Having fun.
I'm getting dirty. And then we mix until it's creamy. This should what it looks like after it's done mixing. It got creamy, and now we're gonna add 2 large eggs.
And you mix after each addition.
Yep. I'm not the best egg cook, so don't blame me. And now we can add the second egg.
That was awesome, dude. No shell.
Yeah! And then it's time to mix, and then the flour and mixture. I have to turn up the ends. I have to get a little more in there. Then it's a waterfall of putting the flour in. And the constructions say we add nuts, but Mommy Bites is allergic to nuts, so we're just going to add the chocolate chips.
Alright, let's mix it in.
Okay.
Yeah, it's typically walnuts that you add,
Well, those chocolate chips are in there! I had to
turn it up a little faster there, bud. Let's get that mixing. Oh yeah.
It's like a tornado! This is what the mixture should look like, and then we can put it on the baking sheet. I am a cookie fighter! And now we put the cookie batter onto the trays. Now when we put the cookies on the tray, then we'll put them in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. Okay.
But can you do that?
No, ask a grown-up to help. And bake them, and here's our final product.
Yummy.
This is our batch.
Yum.
Yummy. And the chocolate chips you can see are in there.
Yep. So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try it.
Well, go ahead.
I already touched this one. Very soft. Sides crunchy. Inside fluffy. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell and Remember, we still have the contest going on.
Yep, and I think the contest is going to be extended, so until we get what we wanted. And also, comment.
Where you want us to go next or to bake next.
All right.
And my elf is right here. Bye. And now we're going to mix it until it's creamy.
It helps if we turn it on. I didn't have it plugged in.